this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Monster Magnet in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Monster Magnet is primarily used to find and fight the terror shark. So by having this item, you will have a chance of approaching the terror shark while sailing the seas. So the first requirement is that you will need to craft it. You will need 2 terror eyes, 8 electric wings, 20 fool's gold, and then 10 shark teeth. After you acquire all of these items, you will also need to make sure that you have crafted the shark tooth necklace and the terror jaw. Once you bring all of these materials and you have crafted the shark tooth necklace and the terror jaw, you can finish it up on the shark hunter and you will acquire the actual monster magnet. Now, by having this item, you have a chance of spawning the anchored terror shark. This is a special type of terror shark which drops the shark anchor with 100% chance. So as soon as they spawn, you are guaranteed to drop this weapon. Once you spawn the special terror shark, you will lose the monster magnet and you will see a system message saying that your monster magnet has attracted an irregular beast. So all that you have to do is craft the magnet and it will have a chance of spawning the terror shark while you are sailing. Once you defeat this raid boss, it is going to drop the shark anchor and you will be able to use it as a standard weapon in Blox Fruits. Make sure that you have other people with you to ensure that you can kill the raid boss once it spawns. And you can have multiple people with multiple different monster magnets if you want to farm it a bunch. As long as you have it on your inventory while sailing, it has a chance of appearing. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Monster Magnet in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.